Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel ATS Tech Info. This is the 6th anniversary of ATS Tech Info. Thank you very much for your kind support towards our YouTube channel ATS Tech Info. Hope the same will continue forever. Our channel started its journey on 14th June 2020. Now we have completed 6 years. Till now we have around 2100 subscribers and uploaded nearly 600 videos. Our achievements. First, our channel achieved its first milestone of 1K subscribers on 17th March 2021. Our channel achieved first milestone of 1K subscriber on 15th May 2025. 100 video was uploaded in April 2021. 200 video was uploaded on December 2021. Then 300 video was uploaded on 26th April 2023. 400 video was uploaded on August 2024 and 500 video was uploaded on 10th November 2025. Then our channel have achieved its milestone of 100k views on 23rd March 2023. Now we have nearly 2,80,000 views in our channel. We have started a new series of short video from 2023. We have uploaded nearly 250 short videos in our channel. Our channel have one video which have more than 44k views till now. Lastly, thank you very much for your kind support and wish you a happy Raja. Thank you.